myself a coffee from Starbucks, and now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna study some more. Finished the first subject of today that I wanted to look at, and now I'm gonna take a short break. I'm actually gonna go to the gym. After 1.5 years I have always trained at home, and then I went to a gym for 1 year. I don't know, I just stopped, and then COVID hit and it was not possible to go back to the gym. But now my sister convinced me to go to a gym. That's gonna be at around 2 o'clock after lunch. And now it's 10:30, so I need to do some more work for uni, and then lunch, Baloo. So, I'm done with the gym, as you maybe can tell. Very tired and sweaty as hell. I'm gonna go home. I haven't eaten any lunch yet, so it's now about 3:30. It's also 30 degrees outside, which doesn't make it any easier to come out of the gym into the heat. But yeah, it was good. As you can tell, it was successful. Yeah. Let's go home. I actually didn't sleep very well, and that's kind of like a reoccurring problem of mine whenever I get into studying so much before exams, because I usually will go to bed very tired, and then I would just lay in bed awake because I'm just so worried about the exams, and I feel like, oh, if I'm awake now I can go study, because why not? It's just a waste of time to lay in bed, which is nonsense, because we do need sleep and it's very important for your long-term studying success. Nonetheless, like, going to the gym really made me energized again, and also taking a shower, eating something, and now I'm ready to work some more.